Card 8. Nightmares of Nature. Nile Monitor. The Nile Monitor is a nasty predator with a big appetite. It spends its day searching for food of all kinds, including dead animals, and leaves nothing on the table. Any animal that gets in between this lizard and a meal had better beware. The lizard had extremely sharp teeth and claws, and will tackle animals much larger than itself, even Nile crocodiles. Backbreaker. Because of its build, the Nile Monitor is an agile lizard. This beast will sometimes pounce on its victim's back and snap its spine in two. Triple threat. The Nile Monitor attacks on land or in water, and will even climb a tree to snag a meal. Its tail propels it through the water. Its stout legs make it a fast runner, and its claws are perfect for scaling a tree. Creature features. Species: Varanus niloticus. Size: length up to 6.5 feet. Weight up to 13 pounds. Habitat: near rivers and swamps in Central and Southern Africa. Prey: insects, frogs, fish, eggs, and carrion. Lifespan: up to 15 years. Just that looking mustard gas.